Welcome to Bangkok, 47. Ken Morgan has booked the Queen Suite, but has yet to check in. You will find him in and around the restaurant. Oddly enough, Jordan Cross seems completely unaware of his presence. Cross and the class have set up a recording studio in the Emperor's Suite on the 3rd floor. Private security around Cross and his entourage is highly capable. Still, I'm sure you can find your way into his inner circle. After all, today is Jordan Cross's 27th birthday. The age when rock stars die. Good luck, 47.
Go check that out.
Oh, okay. It's true. I overheard some of the sound crew talking about it. Apparently, they had this huge row in the middle of the night.
Maybe.
Cross and his manager fighting, huh? Well, bring on the gossip.
Well, I only picked up bits and pieces. Something about Miss Barrett confiscating an audio recording from Cross. Said it was for his own good, that listening to it.
Really?
Hey,
I'm awesome.
I've had enough. I want a refund. And I'm switching hotels.
Van bothers you that much, huh?
Another day, right? Last night they were playing some drinking game down.
Hey, somebody want to help us out over here?
Hey, wait a minute.
Please, you gotta help.
You got it.
Breathing? Hello? HITMAN? Man.
Hey, you! Why'd you do that?
Come in, Central.
The owner's son decides to pop by.
The owner doesn't give a
Jesus Christ.
Okay, I'll take a look.
What the?
Enjoy your stand back.
Understood.
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, buddy, isn't that yours? What the hell? Isn't those bloody kids messing around again? Holy shit! I need help! Let's get to the bottom of this. If I wanted to, I'd have joined the army. Remember, if you see anyone suspicious, like a gypsy or a homeless person, fill them full of lead. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. I'll get back to you.
Before you get hurt! No
Security wasn't kidding. That is one nasty crack. What the hell could have done this?
Hey, good to see you, man. Oh, hey, Mr. De Silva. Dexy Barrett was supposed to pick you up at the restaurant.
Let's take 5. I'll see what I can do.
Target down. Next up, Ken Morgan.
Hey, who the hell are you?
Yeah, okay, but only celebrities?
Oh, yeah. Normie's not. The age-old question.
How are you, Mr. De Silva?
Okay, do you give up?
I don't want to spoil the party, but am I the only one?
Mr. De Silva, how are you?
Wait, I recognize you. We need to find the car. Check everywhere.
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
Oh, Mr. De Silva.
Right.
Whoa.
Is anybody there?
That Bosco Jiff, huh? I mean,
Okay, who's playing? Who did it?
Okay.
Somebody help me! Please, somebody help!
oh, what?
Relax, Chief. I got it covered, okay? Besides, even at very low...
The body of billionaire media mogul Thomas Cross was discovered earlier this evening, slain by multiple gunshot wounds. Cross was scandalously kidnapped this morning at the funeral of his only son, the claimant of musician Jordan Cross. A notorious recluse, Thomas Cross has not left Rhode Island in years, and authorities are now looking into a connection between the two deaths.
This was no coincidence.
Not by a long shot. Thomas Cross had billions in hidden offshore accounts, all stripped clean within hours of the kidnapping. Someone wanted the son dead to lure out the father. Someone smart enough to stay in the shadows while we did the wet work, and the Highmores picked up the check.
A shadow client. Someone got rich. The contract was just. How is this our problem?
I know you don't care about politics, 47. But ICA is neutral, always has been. Can't allow ourselves to be manipulated. Besides...
It's happened before.
Italy, Morocco, Paris. All our clients got their intel the same way. Anonymous tips from a hidden source. Each contract perfectly legit, yet part of a grander design.
I don't see the pattern.
Somebody does. The board has asked us to chase down this shadow client, and our analysts are closing in as we speak.
I know that tone.
Someone's playing a game, 47. The question is, against whom?